Okay, so based on the hint from the room, we have to check a cron tab. Okay, so we have a note here, so let's read this note. Okay, and this message is directed to us, to Toby. I have got the cron jobs set up now, so don't worry about getting that done. Okay, so let's check the cron tab. As we see here, the user Matt ran the script cow.sh every minute on this server, and this file cow.shell is in our directories. So let's check if we can overwrite this file. Okay, so let's check the script and what does it do. Okay, so this is a simple script which copy a cow.jpg file from a mat directory into TMP. As the Toby is the owner of the cow.sh and we have a permission to overwrite this file, so whatever this script contains, it will be executed by the mat user. So if the script contains a command to run a bash shell, it will be executed by a mat user, and we can get access to mat shell. So let's overwrite the cow shell script by adding a reverse shell code to it. From the reverse shell cheat sheet, I will use this command to get a reverse shell. So this is my Kali IP address, and I will listen on the port 4546. And let's wait just a minute, even less than 1 minute, and yeah, we got a shell now from the next user. Who am I? And now we are logged in as a mat. So now again I want to upgrade my shell to get a stable shell. Okay, so we upgraded our shell. Okay, so now let's find the flag 5. Cat flag number 5, and the flag is live by the cow, die by the cow.